Hello traders, welcome to the LFB and our global video charting review. This will be a review for the gold and silver trade plans that the LFB provide on a daily basis for Tuesday, the 3rd of April 2011. My name's Marco Haig, I'm from the LFB Trade Desk. We do have to point out that there's a disclaimer on the page. We ask that you pause the video, read through and accept that before taking information from the video. Each day, subscribers get access to a range of products from the LFB, including trade plans. Everybody should trade with a plan, and a trade plan is sometimes like a unicorn that you know that they're meant to exist, but very few people have seen them. Trade plans from a professional basis just plot your course of work and analyze what needs to be hit before the market sets itself up. So we're just going to run through some examples of what we've got here. On the gold trade plans, we've got long numbers from 1564, we've got short numbers from 1546, and we're working our way through targets 1 to 5 long and both short. Weekly trend is long on gold, 4-hour trend is still long. 4-hour momentum reads are neutral. And then we've got the most important part, we've got a swing point from the analysis of the previous session's trade. We've got a neutral swing point at 1556. That is the most important price point of the day, and we've got support and resistance numbers above and below that. Let's take a look at how that transposes itself onto the chart. As we can see in early Asian trade, we're repeating a pattern that now we've got an analysis on that Asian session trade is getting boisterous in the precious metal markets. We've seen a big move lower in Asian trade where gold dropped down from the 1550 area and hit a low of 1535. So the short trade plan numbers were from 1546. If traders had put those on when they were issued at 1700 East Coast time today, we would see that they've already got down and hit target 1 and target 2. We can see the neutral swing point, which is in 1556 is the price point. We're now going to be looking for the market to work its way back up towards that 1555 on gold, understanding that we're now back at the support 1 that was highlighted on the trade plan around that 1537 area. And when you use the LFB trade plans each day, you get a real good respect and understanding for how strong those numbers are that the trade team produce for us on a daily basis. 20-day moving average is sitting down at 1501. We are not driven technically at this point in time. This market is all about fundamental movement. We've still got a long signal on gold, which was generated on the 26th of April with a break above the 1500 area. So 1510 was the price point to go long on gold. It hasn't as yet given a signal to close out, although we are going to be getting very close to that now. If we do get a signal, it will come out as an alert via the website and an email to clients. But at this point in time, if you're not already in gold, you need just to wait and see whether this buy the dip play is actually going to hold out. Taking a quick look at the silver markets, this market got pummeled over the weekend, and if you are a trader that only trades during the cash market, Wall Street Open, you really need to be very much aware that you would have spent most of Sunday evening into Monday looking and probably longing for that Wall Street market to open. If you trade foreign exchange as well as your ETFs and as well as the commodities or your equities, you could have got access to this silver market and you could have traded the corresponding moves in the Forex market. Looking at the silver setup, we've got a long entry on the trade plan from 46.20. We've got a short entry from 43.25. The most important price point we've got in trade for Tuesday is 43.30 on silver. And when we look on the silver chart, we can see that the short signal was generated from the LFB system on Friday. So we had a short signal for those clients that receive updates and data from the LFB to go short the silver market. And we wrote about this as well in articles all over the weekend. That short signal from 47.80, the low that got was 47.10. That's a dramatic move. We did try to push back higher, but unable to break this short trend line there. You've got to be very, very careful if you're trading silver, because we've just had another move lower in Asian trade. The neutral area, 45.30, that kind of price point, that's going to be incredibly important during trade on Tuesday. It really will be very important as a price point to break to or from. The downside target on silver is 39.10. We haven't had a secondary signal yet, which means that the first signal short from this 47.90 area, that still is open. We haven't had a signal to close that yet. We will email and we will update the website when that gets sent out. But the path of least resistance, if this automated selling kicks in as a consequence of the increases in margin requirements, is going to target that 50-day moving average down at 39 bucks. If you are not already a subscriber and you are interested in taking advantage of a trial period for the services that we offer, you can go to the LFB website, TheLFB-forex.com, and you can sign up under the services tab. You're able to sign up for the LFB services. We've got new member promotions. We've got 3-month, 6-month and annual memberships. You'll also see under the services tab examples of the products and services that we offer. We're a full service global trader support trade desk. We're here for you ETF traders, equity traders, commodity traders, forex traders, to connect the dots for you. We'll send you signals on all of those markets and we'll alert you when these markets are moving hard.